both turned on now. And this one is on and it's extremely loud. Like I said, you're both on. This one's the one that's doing all the noise. And this one's quiet. But this is loud, but it's working. I don't know if it's working hard or not, but yeah, it's 9 years old. I mean, I never heard a 9-year-old air conditioner so loud. I think I saw both of those off and the video of that and both on. Hopefully one will turn off in the video. That'll be pretty cool. My first is this turned on while I was in the house. It was so loud. I think it's real loud in the video too. These are both 5 tons. They're on. They're both 2004. So right now they're 9 years old, and this one just turned off. Wow, cool. Just looking at the fan. Nice. Actually, the other one's pretty loud too, I guess. These are both straight pools. See, it's dirty in there. Wow, it scared me when I was taking the